How to disable the Chrome notification. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to show you some methods that you can easily get right on this news notification or any website notification, or if you're getting any ads pop up so on your window screen, right corner or bottom corner, this pop-ups comes generally on this corner, okay, your right side down corner. So in this video today I'm going to show you how we can get right on it. So I'm going to show you some methods, then you can follow it and you can fix your problem. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay, so here I'm on Chrome. So first thing, before we go ahead, first thing we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So how we can check it? So just click on this three dot icon and go to the help section, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you able to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not, then it will be start updating automatically when you come this on this window. Then after update you have to just relaunch it. You will see the relaunch button here, just relaunch it. Okay, so this is the first thing we have to check before we go ahead. Now what we need to do, first thing, we need to go in these settings options, and first we need to reset the all setting. Okay, just come to the reset setting option here, just go click on this reset option, and here you can only reset your Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts, disable it is only disable the Chrome extension and delete some cookies and temporary data. It won't affect your bookmarks, history, and save password. Okay, it won't be affected, so just reset it. After reset, just come back. The second method, okay, just open the new window. Now we need to check the extensions. Just click on this three dot option here, go to this more tools. Under the more tools we need to go in extensions options. Okay, so in this window you can see your all extensions which you have already installed on your Chrome browser. Okay, so because of we just reset our Chrome setting, so you can see the all extension has been disabled now. Okay, so here what you need to check, you have to check here, is there any unwanted extension or unknown extension here. So just find out which you don't recognize extension and remove from here. Just click on remove, it will be removed. Okay, so I just remove one extension from here. Okay, this one. Okay, just remove like this, and now you can enable your useful extension which you use. Okay, and remove which you don't use. Okay, the second method is just click again here and go to the settings. Okay, this is the final method. What you need to do, just come to the setting window again and go to the privacy and security, and under go to the site settings, just come here and go to the notification. So here you have to select the don't allow the site send to notification. Okay, sometimes you got the notification window here, so if you don't want notification, just hit the don't allow the site send the notification. That is for all website. Okay, but still if you want some notification from some genuine website like gmail.com or facebook.com, you can customize this. Okay, just come to this option, allow the site send notification. You can add the site from here. Simply open the site mail ID on new window and just copy it and just add this. Okay, here. Okay, so Gmail will access Gmail will be send the notification even you select the don't send the notification. Okay, and here you have to check, is there any unwanted or unrecognized link. You have to delete from here. Okay, just remove link. Is there any link here, and select this third option which is don't allow the send the notification. Or you can also use this option, share site can ask to send notification, but this is this is for when site try to send with the notification, it will be get the permission from you first, then it will be send the notification. But I suggest you use this one and add any site here which you want notification from them, and delete from here any links which you don't recognize. Okay, just come back now and just scroll down, and we need to go in pop-up redirect. Same as we have to just select this option which is don't allow site to send pop-ups and use redirection. Okay, and check is there any site or link which is you don't recognize, delete from here. And if you want any if you want pop-ups from particular site, then you can add from here, same as I showed you before. Okay, so that steps is enough for fix your problem. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.